The Boating Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 86. Well, a very good day to you. It is Monday the 8th of July 2024, and I've just spent a really good weekend down at the boat. We took it out on Saturday and had a trip down the North Oxford Canal, and hopefully we got some really decent footage. This little update is just to say that my next video will go out this coming Saturday. That will be Saturday the 13th of July 2024, and that video will include some of our trip out this weekend, but in the main some of the work that we've been doing on the swamp duck, just to get it all nicely cleaned, and some bits and bobs that I've had to do in preparation for the boat safety scheme inspection, which is coming up very shortly. So I hope you will enjoy that video. As I say, that will come out on Saturday the 13th of July 2024 at 8 AM. So as always, thank you very much for all your support, and as always, do take care.